Ngā me I o te rungarawa kia koutou katoa, you are on Te Ata 2 with 2. A kua tai mai te kaiwhakahaere o te runanga o Ngāi Tahu ko Justin Tipa. Tēnā koe e te rangatira.
Morena rā Tumehe, ngā mihi o te ata.
He maha ngā kaupapa kōrero kei te Areare, so let's get into it. So te runanga o Ngāi Tahu spoke to its response to the fast-track bill in front of the Environment Select Committee earlier this week. Hea ngā whakaro ka puta, ngā hua ka puta?
Ai rā, tika tāu e Tumehe, we had Rāori Manuatu, our rep for Kaikoura, that led the response for te runanga, and we had a number of runanga chairs up there as well. And so, look, we really laid down our thinking and our suggestions around the fast track. And, you know, as I've said in the past, we've got some pretty strong feelings that how that bill must uphold treaty settlements, get a good balance between the natural environment and development. But ultimately, you know, it's about protecting our rights and interests, our rangatiratanga, and Ngāi Tahu will do that at all costs.
Ngā mihi mō ngā kōrero kua puta. How did you find attending Hui Taumata, hosted by Ngāti Kahungunu a couple of weeks back?
Yeah, no, it was a mean day up in Omahu. You know, the manaakitanga was fantastic. There was some really awesome kōrero and some really good challenges laid. And so we are, you know, we're getting closer to making an announcement, and they're really looking forward to how Ngāi Tahu can respond and host a hui in the near future.
Oh, ka hara, we're looking forward to more future announcements from you e te rangatira. Another awesome kaupapa. Many whānau may not know that Ngāi Tahu has been involved with the New Zealand Olympics. Kōrero mai pāna ki tēnei kaupapa e te rangatira.
Yeah, no, that's right too. You know, for the last 20 years, Ngāi Tahu, we've made individual pounamu pieces for every Olympic athlete. And today we've got a big day. We've got the representatives from the New Zealand Olympic Committee and the Paralympics New Zealand, where we're hosting them here at Te Whare o Te Wai Pounamu, where we present that pounamu. There's a piece there for every athlete. And they'll be taking that over to Paris. And it's something that we're really proud of and we're looking forward to this afternoon.
Oh, absolutely should be proud. Oh, ka rawe e rā kōrero. Anything else you want to add e te rangatira?
Ka ko tāku noa, he mihi ki ngā uri o Ngāi Tahu whānui, tātou e noho mai nā I tēnei o te wā makariri. He mihi ki a tātou.
And the most important question o te ata is, what is the most expensive kai that you have ever bought? Because there is a $50 pie in Hanmer Springs. Have you ever tried that one?
I can't say I have. I think if I'm thinking about expensive kai, it's probably TT these days, eh?
It is, but too expensive. How are we going to bring the cost of TT down, e te rangatira?
Iau wahoki.
Oh well, ngā me I o te ata kia koe, kia pai haere tō wiki. Mauri ora ki a koe.
Tēnā koe tū.
Te kaiwhakahaere o te runanga o Ngāi Tahu ko Justin Tipa tērā me wana kōrero nui waka ara. E hāngai ana ki ngā kaupapa e kai ngā kauti ana e mātou o Ngāi Tahu. Let's get back into the music, playing you the best hip-hop, R&B, waiata, Māori and reggae. It's TahuFM, the beat of the South.